Hi guys, welcome back. Gareth here. The topic of today's video is how to improve your skills, and that is in any particular sport or endeavor. And the first word which comes to mind is virtuosity. Now, if you operate or exist in good fitness circles, this word is probably common to you. Virtuosity, as defined, as I have heard it, is doing the common uncommonly well. So really mastering the basics. And so the question is, to make it real simple, how does a baby go from crawling to walking? Because in doing so, they're improving their skills. I have a small graph here. On the x-axis, I have energy expended. On the y-axis, the task accomplished. And as you can see, when a baby is crawling, which is point A, trying to get to point B, which is walking, the baby's using a lot of energy, but they're not actually accomplishing much, as opposed to the goal, which is walking. They are not using much energy and they are accomplishing a whole lot more. Of course, whatever your sport is, this could be going from pull-ups to muscle-ups, or maybe this is going from a 5.5 minute kilometer to a 3-minute kilometer in terms of running. Whatever it is, you can adapt this accordingly. So how do we get from A to B, from crawling to walking? Two simple ways. Number one is by using good technique. And the word I have here is neurological, and that's referring to neurological adaptation. Something I've spoken on before, our intangible assets, which are coordination, accuracy, agility, and balance. Intangible because we don't see them, but they do make a huge difference, particularly when it comes to our technique and getting better at doing something. And then number two is very simple, and that is practice, or the next word you can use is repetition. So what I've got written here as my answer is mechanics is greater than consistency is greater than intensity, which is something you may have heard me say before in a different video, but I'll break it down in this sense. How does a baby go from crawling to walking? How does someone get better at their skill? Well, first, they need to master the basics and perfect their technique. Secondly, they need to do it repetitively. And then thirdly, just to put the cherry on top, is adding the element of intensity, and that may be increasing complexity or weight or doing it faster, whatever it is to your respective sport or physical or mental endeavor. I hope this video helps. If you like it, please leave a like, tag someone who this might be beneficial to. I greatly appreciate your support.